Tajin versus Gator Shake. You guys want to find out who's the best? Stick around. I'll show you guys. Freaking outstanding. Got 2 whole chickens here. You ever notice that? When you go to Sam's Club or Costco, there's always one bigger chicken. This is much bigger than this one. I wonder why they do that. How come they just can't make them the even size, if you will? Man, this is a little tiny guy compared to this one. Alright, let's go ahead and break this open. Alright guys, that looks pretty good. Let's see, we're gonna come in here and kind of knock some of this fat off. I don't need all of this. Just nice and easy right there. Get that fat off, knock off this little tail right here. And let's check this bad boy up. Let's go ahead and check this one out. It has a little bit fat right there. Knock that off. Some right there. And then also, we'll knock off this little tail right here. That looks pretty good. I'm also gonna knock off these little flappers right here. Just come and look for the joint. Just cut it off. Pretty simple, guys. Because if I don't take these off, they're gonna burn. And we're gonna put this on the canca. Using Tajin, and we're using Gator Shake. For the bigger one, we're gonna go ahead and use Uncle Steve Shake. Let me open up for this side and get a lot of it out. Let's go ahead and season heavily, guys. There's a lot of salt in there, but it's not too bad. It's pretty good. Pretty damn good, if you ask me. If you guys don't know who Uncle Steve is, I will leave his link in the description box. Tell him 805 sent you, and I'm most guaranteed that he's gonna hook you up with something. Uncle Steve is a very generous man. I also should have done this before, but it's all good. Just kind of tear up the skin under the breast, just like that. I want some flavor on that breast as well. Put quite a bit in there. Kind of massage that in there. And if we need to touch it up, we can touch it up later. Alright, don't worry, the bottles I will disinfect. Kind of separate that skin from the breast. So we can hit that first. Just put enough, guys. And I want to taste that through the whole entire bird. Smells good in here, guys. I've used Tajin in my shrimp cocktails, in my tostadas de camarón. It's good on poultry. It's good on fish. Gator Shake and Tajin goes good with everything. Has a citrus lime flavor, if you will. Pretty good. My brother Lep, he puts it in his beer all the time. So does Randy. That's another thing, guys. If you guys can do me the favor and subscribe to Lep and Randy and Christy, they got some good channels. Alright, I think that's pretty good right there, guys. Because the bird that is on this side cooks much faster than this side. I'll go right through that chicken leg right there. Go through that cavity right through there. Just like this, guys. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. We'll go through this little flapper right here. So we got that one. And then we'll do the same for this little guy right here. Uncle Steve and Tajin. I will touch these up if we need to touch them up. I do have the Weber preheating. I'm using the famous fire cup by Anthony Tiger McCool. I'm also going to leave his link in the description so you can buy your own fire cups. These are amazing. I highly recommend them, just like I do Uncle Steve, guys. All right, let's go put this on the canca. See you guys outside. Check this out, guys. Wanted to show you really quick. Only because this bird is way bigger than that little one over there. All I did was move the canca, so I got this big bird under the fire. And that one's just kicking back over there on the sidelines. It's getting cooked, but at a slower pace, if you will. And yes, I'm gonna get drippings on the floor. No big deal. It's an easy cleanup. But just wanted to show you guys this. And I want both birds to be done at the same time. I don't want to yank one off and leave one on. So I just wanted to show you guys really quick. I did add 3 more splits of red oak. And red oak is one of my favorite woods to cook with. It's probably the only wood that I cook with. Red oak is very underrated. To me, it gives an outstanding flavor. Smoking, grilling, I use it for everything, guys. Here in California, red oak is king. First, let me apologize because there's no sunlight. It's all good. It's getting cloudy here in California. But as you can see, the chicken's falling apart. I had to stick a bunch of skewers just trying to hold it together. Hey, it happens. What can I tell you guys? This is not perfect. It's just all good. The chef temp, man, this thing works awesome, guys. I mean, talk about quick temp, man. Watch. Let's check the breast. 144.6. Let's see right here. 160.7. Whoa, ho, 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 yeah, baby. It caught it on camera, guys. Uh-oh. Should I let it go one more time? I'm thinking it's gonna fall off completely, guys. Man, here it comes, here it comes. See what happens. Bam! Hilarious, guys. That is hilarious. Well, I guess that one will cook a little bit faster, right? We can leave it down there for a little bit. Let it chill out. Oh my gosh. All right, guys. This is too much fun. Let me fix this, because I'm definitely gonna lose that baby. So all I did was put my grate, and I'm gonna let these hang out right there because they're not holding on anymore. It's not a fail yet. Oh man. You know, guys, barbecuing is all about having fun. Hey, things happen all the time. Oh, there it goes. Bam! Man, talk about... Look at the canca, guys. I'm very impressed with the canca. It holds up to 22 pounds. So, and this is where I'm going to just shut it off. So this is... Oh man, guys. This is where I'm going to stop it. This is the way I'm going to cook it. Sure, I can take it off and finish it off on the grill, but hey, this is the way I started. This is the way I'm going to finish it. See that? 157.8. So 165 is safe to eat. Let's check this one. See, 159.2. Man, this thermometer is awesome. And check it out, guys. It turns, right? Check it out. And then, let's just say I was reaching behind, so let's just say I was smoking a brisket and I had to reach in the way back or whatever to get my temp. So, right, and we'll hold the button and bam, it holds our temp, right? So that's a pretty cool feature on it. Man, I like this thermometer, chef's temp. Once again, big shout out to you guys. If you guys want one of these, If you guys want one of these, I'm gonna put a link in the description. You guys can get your own. So we're pretty close on this cook here. All right, let me turn a little bit there. All right, guys. Once this is done, I'll bring you guys back. You guys want to see it one more time? Oh man, let's see this. All right. Ready? Action. So I turned it on. Whoa, let's go a little slow. Here it comes. Bam! It's almost like if we're at the circus, huh? Freaking doing flips. Look at the canca, man. It's a beast, guys. It is a beast. And I'll just stop it right there. Kind of move it right there. Bam. I'm going to finish the cook just like that, guys. All right, guys. Stick around. This is the way I'm going to finish the cook. Next time you guys see this, we'll be inside. Stick around, guys. So this is with Uncle Steve. And this was the tajin. Man, what a crazy cook, guys. Crazy, crazy cook. I don't want to carve the whole entire bird. Just want a couple pieces so we can taste. This is a big boy right here. All right, here's the leg. You know what? All right, let's go with the tajin first, guys. Let's go with the chicken breast. Tajin. Cheers, guys. Freaking amazing. Freaking incredible. Let's go with the GATOR shake. GATOR shake. Little drumette here. Cheers. Son of a gun. Freaking good. Okay, two different profiles. The tajin has more of a lemon flavor. GATOR shake has more of a smoky flavor. It's not as intense as a tajin, but in my opinion, GATOR shake is the way to go. GATOR shake on some wings, fire, man. And I'm gonna do that pretty soon. Well, gracias for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. You know the drill. You like my video, like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you, guys. What do you think about the tajin?
It's just a little salty.
A little salty? You taste, but do you taste the lemon in the tajin? I like the tajin. It's just a little too much lemon for me.
Yeah, they're both bomb, but that one's bomb.
Uncle Steve for the win.